Hi guys, it's Shauna, your hostess and dirty Happy Hoe. It is my birthday today and I just went to the dentist, and so I have decided to reward myself with my birthday rosé from Yahtzee. Story time. I just went to a new dentist and I just had the most uniquely incredible experience that I just had to share with you guys. So for those of you who have fear of going to the dentist, DM me if you live in this area because I will warn you not to go to this place. But I do not have a fear of the dentist. I have always had the most wonderful experiences, and this was not one of those. Cheers. Okay, so I go. They ask for my insurance, which I have, so I bring it in, and they take it in, they do all the paperwork. It takes me like 15 minutes to do all the paperwork. They call me back. First thing they do is they want to do this like circular scan. And I'm watching the tech. I'm like, I don't know who these people are. They haven't given me any clear instructions. I literally watch him ungloved put a piece of plastic over a thing. And I'm like, he's not going to ask me to put my mouth on that, is he? Oh yeah. Ungloved piece of plastic on this thing, not wiped down. Just go put your mouth, put your mouth where I just like put my fingers. And I was like, this bodes well. Then we go back to the room, which is lovely. I sit down. He drapes another like x-ray thing on me. I'm like, okay, cool. We're doing x-rays again. Great. You know how you do the bite? Yep. He was moving so fast that the thing wasn't done moving before he'd taken the picture and came in and moved it again. Take the picture. And then he's like, oh, some of them were blurry, and he had to do them again. I'm like, maybe if you waited until the machine stopped jiggling before you, cool. No, it's fine. As long as we've got clear pictures, I'm good. I'm cool. I'm patient. It's all good. And the dentist comes in and he's like, do you have any concerns? I go, no, actually, I'm just overdue for a checkup. I'm overdue for x-rays. I take good care of my teeth. I brush my teeth. I floss my teeth. So they pull up the x-rays. They're like, oh, everything looks so good. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm like, okay, thank you. My teeth are fine. I just want to make sure like that we're doing due diligence to keep this pretty together. No word of a lie. The dentist goes in with that ultrasonic, like the thing. He spends maybe 3 minutes. And then he's like, okay, great. Just polish it up and give her some fluoride. And he walks out. I'm like, okay, cool, great, thanks. And we go back to the one who had the dirty hands on the, and he's now wearing gloves, thankfully. Oh, and so they get the water pick thing. They are literally shooting it out of my mouth, down my hoodie. And I'm literally going, They are pouring cold water down my shirt. 2 men, one on each side, missing my mouth. Ooh, there could be a story with that one. That doesn't sound right. Regardless. Okay, continuing. So I'm like, And so they're like, oh, sorry. And they go, never mind the fact that it's like all the way down in my undershirt. Whatever. So that dentist leaves. Then we've got the tech who's going to now do my buff and polish. He gets the machine and it takes him like a couple minutes to get it to work. It's like, I wasn't even sure he knew how to work it. And he was like, and I'm like, okay. And then they had given me like the sunglasses to take these away. He gets in there with the spray or the thingy and he starts polishing. And the way he's polishing, it's like, this is your tooth, right? Your tooth's not like flat. So when they're polishing, I've always had the tech that uses the little burp burp and it comes over and they kind of just make sure they get all the way up into your little edges and they do such a good job. He literally was like, what, tooth. Then he would be like over here and do this tooth. And then he would kind of come back and be like, oh, I'm going to do this tooth. And then I'll do this tooth. He did not even do all of my teeth. He like kind of did these, and I don't even know. I don't think he even did my bottom teeth. Like, no word of a lie. He was like, doot. And then he's like, pours the water, sprays the water all over my face. I've got now water sprayed on my face. And he's like, close. And I'm like, oh, first instructions you've actually verbally given me. Thank you. Good thing I know how to go to the dentist. So I close my mouth. It's all gritty. He does not do any other secondary rinse. It was one rinse and then no brushing, like nothing. And then he comes over and he just like starts like slathering, like he's like, okay, fluoride, don't eat or drink for a half hour. And he goes, and he just, that's it. And then he just sits me up and I'm like, oh, are we done? Like, I've got all this in my mouth. He's like, no, you just swallow, you're fine. So anyways, that was my checkup. So moral of the story is, if you live in my area and you're looking for a new dentist, DM me because I'll let you know where not to go. Anyone have any recommendations for a good dentist? Because apparently I need to find a new one. And with that, cheers. Happy birthday to me. Onward and upward. Ciao.